welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing well and staying safe and healthy. So today's video, I am bringing you this look right here with using all the product that I recently bought from Ulta, and I did a haul, Ulta haul, so you probably have already seen it. But today I'm going to use all the product that I actually bought from Ulta, most of them, so you'll see it in action. And if you would like to see how it was, then go ahead and stay tuned. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here. This is also from Essence, and it's a Prime Plus Studio. So this one does help with the glow boosting plus pore minimizing primer. The next thing I have here is this one from LA Girl Luminizing Glow Skin Illuminator. Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood filter kind of thing. And I also have from L'Oreal, so every brand is coming up with their glow product. The foundation I'm using today is Neutrogena Sheer 10, the Radiant Tinted Moisturizer Healthy Skin. It has a sunscreen protection right here, and this is how much I'm gonna take. And this is actually just a tint, so basically it won't have a lot of colors or the pigment to it. And I'm not even tripping because I expected that this won't have any color as much. So, and I'm not worried about it. It's okay. Now, I picked up this one. This is from Flower Beauty, and this is the medium. And this is actually light medium, my concealer I picked. So now I'm going to go ahead and set it up with this Essence Bright Up Banana Powder right here. These stuff are not new, but I'm going to go ahead and use whole Essence right here. Is I never used their product beside this right here. Bought a few things from Essence, and I kind of was excited to see this one. This is the Contour Duo Palette. It's cute little, and it was I think $4, and has two different colors. And now I'm done with my contour. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one up, and this is from Revolution Makeup, or Makeup Revolution, and this is actually huge. You see how big this is, and I like the color. So this kind of reminding me of, I know all the bronzer that I use, it's kind of reminding me of this Charlotte Tilbury right here, the new one that she recently dropped. And it does kind of look kind of a color, same kind of a color, because of the huge packaging and the dark contour. And it's a matte version with my Morphe M527 brush, and I'm just gonna bronze my face. Alright, so I do like the color, and it gave me like a little sun-kissed look. Going back to this contour right here, the Essence contour, this color right here, you can always, like, if you want to intensify your jawline, you can go ahead and do that just a teeny little bit on the brush and tap off the excess. And I'm just using all this product because I wanted to see how it would be. So between all these three, it's actually a good bronzer and contour kit right here. So now that I did all powder, I'm kind of scared to use this as my cheek blush. I don't know why I didn't use this at first, but it's okay. I got this one. This is from Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush in Cheeky Curl 130. That's the color. All the colors that they have, I was like, at least 3 of them that I was gonna get, but they're like $9.99, so I was like, no, let me go ahead and try one of them. And I think they're trying to come up with this kind of packaging for brand glossier. That's what they're trying to. I don't mind, you know, if it's cheaper than the glossier, I'll take it. So basically this one is very sheer, although the color is very intense, as you can see. But when I try to go blend it, it's not as pigment, which is always good. Let me show you a little bit closer how it looks on my cheek. I mean, you can really tell that how vibrant this packaging looks, but on the cheek it looks just fine. The next product I want to use is highlight right here. I got 2 different ones. One from Essence Pure Nude Sunlighters. This one right here was very pretty because I already swatched it after I came home. And the next one, I think it is new, from True Match Lumi Glow Nude Palette in Moon Kissed. I got the lighter version. They have the darker one too. The darker one was pretty, but I wanted to go with the lighter one since I have this one kind of bronzy color. So let's go ahead and try that. And I have the brush from Real Technique, and this is a highlight brush. I use it as a highlight. I'm gonna go ahead, use the essence on this side. And the first one I would like to use between these three. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Oh my. Yeah, that's quite a highlight. Okay, so now I have two different highlights on my face. One is kind of bronzy, and the other one is like really moonlight kissed. Basically, you know, I'm actually loving it. So this one right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this and do my eye makeups. And for that, I do have two different eye palettes I got from LA Girl, and they were like buy one get one half off. So I didn't know which one to pick. And as much as I love colors, although this kind of out of my alley, so that's why I went with what I am comfortable. But once I opened the packaging or this lid, I was like, oh, okay, it's not that bad, because you have your neutral shade, and then also you have a pop of color, which is always good, and you know, you can have fun. So, and then this one right here is very neutral, more like, you know, you could actually do fall looks with this one for sure. Today I'm not gonna use this palette as much. I'm gonna try to get out of my comfort zone and use the blue or green color. The brush I'm gonna use today is from Morphe M441, and I'm gonna start using this palette. Let's see. No, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette, and this palette is kind of heavy, not bad. I think it was $9.99, and then the second one was $4.98, something like that. For the packaging for 10 bucks, it's a good quality packaging. It's not thin or like cheap plastic. I do appreciate that whatever the color name is right here. Also, with the shield or the packaging has those names imprint to this. Color I would like to go with is this one right here, just to kind of prime my eyelid. And then we're gonna go with the fun color, and this mustardy yellow color named Popper. Next one I wanted to use is this orangey tone right here, kind of intensify my outer V. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use between these two color to see which one is fun. Ooh, that's a nice very blue color. Okay, so you can leave it as like this blue-ish tone, but I just want to play with it, so I'm going to go ahead and use this blue as well, the deeper one. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend my eyeshadow and take this right here. I am kind of getting tempted to use this shade, maybe right in the middle. Why not? Now I'm going to go ahead and deepen it with this darker color on my outer corner with the same brush, I guess. And for my underbrow, I'm going to use this brush, Moda brushes. I'm going to get this shade and put it right under. For the eyeliner, I have two of them that I got, and this is L'Oreal Matte Sigma True. I could have just leave it like this, but let me see how the maroon will look. Since I got it, you know, I just want to use. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I mean, it's kind of fun, different, and out of my comfort box. So it's not like I've never done this type of look. I've done it. I've actually used to love colorful makeup, but Nowadays I just like to stay in my territory, you know, you could never go wrong kind of a thing with the nude stuff. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and do the mascara, and I'll be right back. The lip liner I picked is two of these right here, one from Essence, the other one is from LA Girl, and they're both kind of a neutral color. That's all I use, so why not pick that up? And the first one I'm using is Essence Stay 8 Hours Liner, waterproof, which is so awesome, you know. So I guess the color is on the lid. It's number 2, Tea Time. That's the color. The next one I want to use is LA Girl, and this one, and Sugar and Spice. So right off the back, I can already tell you I do like the LA Girl better. Now the lipstick part, I do have two of them I picked up. Is one from Essence Velvet Matte Lipstick right here in number 10. And the L'Oreal I have here, Strawberry Glaze. Just want to show you the color right here, how it looks like. This one right here, it's more like a pinky mauve tone. And this one is the reddish tone. I think I'm gonna go with this one today since no, let me try this and then I can always use the lighter color. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on top to kind of mute it. Kind of tempted to use eyelashes, so I'm gonna use this lashes today. I don't know, I just feel like I wanted to use lashes today. If you guys don't want to, you could just leave it right here and call it good and do the hair a little bit, style your hair and whatever. But I'm gonna use this one. This is from Ardell 817. These are the ones I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm done here today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and got to see some new product on use on my face. So if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys come back and watch my video again, and hopefully I can get to see on my video. And by saying that, I would know if you leave a comment down below, and that way I would know that you came back and watched my video. Alright guys, I'll catch you on my next video then. I'll see you later. Bye.